From FBR Studios, this is the second filming of Blue Goats. We'll start off with some education. In my understanding, we have 2 head goats right now. Or 3, including the boys. We have this young lady. This is Cleo. Cleo is the dominant goat of all the bigger goats. She's pretty much a head goat. We'll be following her today. I'll show you the teenager head goat. This is Midnight. She's the head goat of all the teenagers. We'll follow her later too. I'll see what her story is. But today we're gonna follow Cleo. Cleo also has some babies. Even some babies that ain't hers, but she claims them and they follow her anyhow. But she dominates over the teenagers too. Even though Midnight's the head goat of the teenagers, she's still the head goat of all goats. Most goats follow her, and she gets challenged for her dominance. But she doesn't look as big as some of the other goats, but she fights really good. Now we've moved. Pause because she sat outside for a while, and now she moved in here. Oh. She comes in here. It's actually a little bit cooler in here than it is outside, so a lot of the goats like the rest, as you can see. And Donkey scares the crap out of them, so they leave. They pant just like people. And they like to fight. It's Midnight. We'll leave Cleo alone for a little bit. These are some of the other goats. Goat with the black and white right now is mastermind of unlocking our smartest goat. She knows how to do everything. She teaches the other goats what to do. I'm gonna watch her for a little bit. She just taught the goats how to scrape against the wall. She does it, and then they follow. That's actually itching themselves, so that's why they're doing it. See, now she did it, now they all have to do it. And then once Midnight copies it, they'll do it. A donkey. And the donkey decides to scare everyone. Let's check up on Cleo. No, he mastermind. Cleo, you and your babies.